This 2019 Winnebago Minnie 2401RG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 6, DVD player, spare tire kit, LP detector, microwave, air conditioning, external shower, stovetop burner, skylight, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Winnebago Minnie 2401RG is 5,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.